Tomorrow, UNICEF celebrates 75 years of humanitarian work for children.
So much incredible work. Well, this anniversary comes as the group is taking on its biggest project to date, distributing COVID vaccines to countries all around the world. Joining us tonight is UNICEF's president and CEO, Michael Nienhuis. Michael, thanks for being with us and taking the time.
Hey, thanks for having us. Appreciate it.
Let's go ahead and jump in and talk about this mission to distribute vaccines. How is the effort going so far?
Well, it's going well. On the one hand, we expect by the end of this calendar year to have distributed between 800 million and 1 billion doses of COVID vaccines to about 140 countries, many of them low and middle income countries that really need them. It's below what our initial goals were. We've had some supply issues along the way through the course of the year, but those are ramping up pretty fast. So we're hopeful.
And Michael, we know this is one of many initiatives you all at UNICEF continue to work on tirelessly. But what else are you guys working on specifically to improve the lives of children around the world?
You know, every year we vaccinate 45% of the world's kids under 5 with their basic childhood vaccines. That's 2 billion doses of vaccines we deliver around the world to make sure they get to the children that need them. And that's just the start of it. Other health programs to ensure their good health, education to give them an opportunity, child protection to help refugees and migrants and others to be free from harmful practices. So it's a broad work that we do. And as you said, we've been doing it for 75 years now. We have the credibility and the global reach around the globe that is unparalleled.
I feel like it's hard to pinpoint something in particular, but in your opinion, what are some of UNICEF's biggest accomplishments over the last 75 years?
Well, I think if you look at the statistics for reduction of childhood mortality, if you look at the statistics for the number of kids that have access to school that didn't before, these numbers are really, really good. Pre-pandemic, anyway, they're really, really good, and they show the work that UNICEF has been doing over those 75 years, along with many, many others, many partners as well. But this kind of work matters, and it makes a difference, and it's improved lives, saved lives over the course of those decades. Without question. The pandemic has upended a bunch of that, and we've had to slow down and now are restarting and accelerating all of those programs that are essential to the health and well-being of kids.
And we know this Friday, 75 years, it's a huge deal, but this also marks 2 years of UNICEF's partnership with PICS 11. So Michael, talk about the work UNICEF and PICS have been doing over the last few years.
Well, it's been such a great partnership for us, and certainly the trip that you took, Tamsin, to Tanzania, and the terrific reporting that came out of that really award-winning reporting, as I recall, was really important to share with our New York audience, which is one of our most important constituencies, the power of UNICEF's work and the importance of the people of New York standing behind us in this work. We're all local citizens here, and we need to be concerned about the very concerns that kids and families have in New York, but we're global citizens too. And you've helped remind your viewers that we are global citizens and we need to be concerned about the conditions of children around the world just as much as we do the needs of children here.
And there's no question about that. We thank you for that opportunity. Look forward to more. And of course, we got a lot of great feedback from people in our area as well, because you're right, we are all global citizens. Michael, thank you so much. Appreciate you joining us. We look forward to having you back.
Great. Thank you. Happy holidays, everyone.
You too.
You too.